Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all guys, I want to say thank you to each one of you that keeps on watching my video and showing support. You know guys, starting a YouTube channel is nothing easy, nothing to sneeze at, but with the support I keep getting from you guys, I am confident that we can make a great community out there. So again, thank you from the bottom of my heart. As you guys can see in the title, I will be explaining the process and the decision behind in buying my Toyota MRS from Japan, why I bought the car, why I love the car. So stay tuned for more guys. Before explaining the reasoning in buying my Toyota MRS guys, let's back up in the past. My first car was a Toyota Celica. So everything I learned from cars came from that experience, from learning how to drive stick shift, from learning how to heel and toe, from learning from how to rev match, or getting into my first corner and experiencing that cornering sensation. It all came from my Toyota Celica. After a couple years of driving the same thing over and over, I felt that my skills were getting limited to the car I was driving. Then, I blew my engine. I'm sorry, Celica. Oh, sorry. It was tragic, guys. Imagine your first car. You imagine on your way back home. I blew my engine from lack of oil. Pretty rookie mistake. So, lesson you guys can learn from my experience is always check on your oil and make sure your engine is always operating the way it should be. Then, my brother Biller bought his first Lexus IS300. Let me tell you guys, driving right-hand drive, sorry about that, driving rear-wheel drive, nothing equals to driving rear-wheel drive. Not front-wheel drive, not all-wheel drive, not six-wheel drive, eight-wheel drive. I'm telling you guys, having to control a car with only the two back tires rotating at all times with the influence of the gas pedal, it's quite spectacular. So I told myself, what platform can I swap A to ZZ? After watching Initial D, I was set guys. I saw Kai Kagashua. By the way Kai, you're my friend. Thank you so much because the idea came from you. And then I decided to get my Toyota MRS. So finally, time to answer the question, why the Toyota MRS? The MRS is a special and unique car considering it is very likely that you have recognized the MRS. Provides some features that set it apart from your run-of-the-mill VW or Hondas or Subarus or BMWs or even Mitsubishi. First, it has a mid-engine, knife-like precision handling, transition faster and sharper than a front or rear engine car, better launch. Second, it's rear-wheel drive, so you have the ability to modulate the car's cornering attitude with the throttle. Third, short wheelbase, so that equals nimble. And 4, it has McPherson truck, so it's lightweight. With a little tuning and tweaking, all of these essential keys make the Toyota MRS a great car to compete with supercars such as the Honda NSX or the 911 Turbo or the Lotus Elise. Fun fact by the way guys, the Honda NSX is the best car I think, my dream car, a car that I would like to own. And I think the Lotus Elise would probably be in my top 20s of cars that I like to own one day. So my goals with the car is to improve my driving abilities and to become a better racer at the track. I want to be able to utilize the MR's advantage when racing against someone else, being able to recover a wheel spin, and my left foot braking for better weight transfer balance. So this concludes our video guys. I hope you were able to learn about me as an individual and about my passion for racing. So please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And as always guys, remember, in speed we trust.
We about to turn it up.